Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell 14 Hall driver. Okay, so first method. So guys, go to dell.com. This is officially site. So www.dell.com. After that, click on support and then click on driver download. Then enter the if you have a model number. Otherwise, you can enter the serial number also. Dell 14. Then you can see this is different tag, so which is using, so all the installations process same. Select this, wait few seconds, is this slow down, and there are two options. You can update automatically, and second one, this is manual. So okay, select the driver manually, then select the category, then select the operating system. Okay, so fully close this so we can find chipset and all, driver, keyboard, mouse, network security, storage. So all driver, so application, chipset, mouse, network security, storage, audio also there. So guys, we are tried install one by one. So first, audio driver. So this is audio driver, you can see, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Then it is completed. Just single click to open. Click on yes for the administrative rights to install. Then guys, you have a two method. You can extract and then you can install. Otherwise, you can directly click on install. No need to extract. Click on OK. Though this is completed.